Welcome. My name is Mrs. Burgen. Today, we will learn about farm animals. Come sign with me. Cow. I see a cow. Chicken. I see a chicken. Duck. I see a duck. Goat. I see a goat. Horse. I see a horse. Pig. I see a pig. Rooster. I see a rooster. Sheep. I see a sheep. Wow, so many animals. Do you remember the names of all the animals? I saw 8 animals. Do you remember the first one? What was the name of the first one? That's right, it's cow. The second one, chicken. Third, duck. Fourth, goat. Fifth, horse. You're right. Sixth, pig. Seventh, rooster. Eighth, sheep. That's right. You're so smart. I'm happy we're paying attention. Good job. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for signing with me, Mrs. Burgen. Bye-bye.